Hello everyone, this is our third video on the topic revision section, algebraic fractions. Let's look at some exam style questions. Solving and simplifying algebraic fractions. If you like to download this tutorial, visit our website at www.smarttutorscom.uk/worksheet.php. Under the E11, you can download this tutorial. Question number 1. 4 over x plus 2 plus 3 over x minus 2. So we are going to do, the question is as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we are going to do x plus 2 with 3 and 4 with x minus 2, and the denominator is going to be x plus 2 x minus 2. So x plus 2 x minus 2 is the denominator. So 4 is going to be multiplied by x minus 2 plus 3 is going to be multiplied the x plus 2. So you're going to expand the brackets. 4x minus 8 plus 3x plus 6 over, you can expand this one, x plus 2 x minus 2 you know is x squared minus 4. If you want, you can expand the bottom bit, x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. So these two cancel, x squared minus 4. So on the top, 4x plus 3x is 7x, minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2 over x squared minus 4. That is the answer. Question number 2. Solve 4 over x plus 3 plus 3 over 2x minus 1 equal 1. Solve means you need to find the answer for x. So first of all, let me do the left hand side bit. So the normal method. So 4 is going to be multiply the 2x minus 1 plus 3 is going to be multiply the x plus 3. Underneath is x plus 3 2x minus 1 equal 1. I'm going to expand the brackets. So 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 9. I'm going to expand the denominator also. So 2x squared minus x plus 6x minus 3 equal 1. So 1 means 1 over 1. 8x plus 3x is 11x plus 5 over 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equal 1 over 1. So cross multiply. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equal 11x plus 5. Bring everything to one side. So 2x squared, 11x coming this side is minus 11x plus 5x minus 6x minus 8 equals 0. I'm dividing everything by 2. So x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. So you can factorize the quadratics. 4. So the factors of 4 take away gives 3. So 1 and 4. So minus 4 and plus 1. So x plus 1 and x minus 4. So if you have any problem on the factorization solving quadratics, you can refer to our second video. So I'm going to continue this one. X plus 1 equals 0 means x answer is x equal minus 1, or x minus 4 equals 0 equal x equal 4. So these are the two answers for x. Question number 3. Simplify x plus 1 over 2 plus x plus 3 over 3. So we're going to do the same method. So 2 times 3 as the denominator. So 3 is going to be multiplied by x plus 1 plus 2 is going to be multiplied by x plus 3. So if you simplify, expand the brackets from the top, 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 over 6 equal 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 9 over 6. So that is the answer for the question number 3. Question number 4. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Same method what we did in the first two questions. X minus 4, x plus 3 as the denominator, product both brackets. 2 is going to be multiplied by x plus 3. In between there is a minus 1 times x minus 4. Expand the brackets. 2x plus 6 minus x plus 4. Minus time minus is plus 4 over, you can leave it as it is, x minus 4, x plus 3. If I collect the like terms, 2x minus x is x plus 10 over x minus 4, x plus 3. That is our final answer for question number 4. Question number 5. Simplify fully. So denominator and the numerator with the quadratics. So we have to factorize top and bottom. So I'm going to be doing it separately. So 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. So the decomposition method shows 2 times 5 is minus 10. So we need two numbers multiply to give minus 10 and two numbers add them to give plus 9. So factors has to be take away. So what are the factors of 10? 1 times 10, 10 take away 1 is 9. So the answer is plus 10 and minus 1. So if you have minus 1 plus 10, that gives plus 9, and minus 1 times plus 10, that gives minus 10. So we found the answer. So two brackets, then 2x at the start. This is our quickest method. Minus 1 in one bracket and plus 10 the other bracket. So both brackets you have to look at it. The first bracket cannot simplify, so that is the answer, 2x minus 1. The second bracket can simplify by 2, so x plus 5. Second quadratics is 6x squared minus 5x plus 1. 6 times 1 is 6. So factors of 6 is 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Factors need to be added. 2 plus 3 is 5. Both minus. So bracket start close, bracket start close. 6x at the start, 6x at the start. One is having minus 2, other one is having minus 3. Both factors can be simplified. The first bracket I'm going to be divide by 2, which gives 3x minus 1. The second bracket I'm going to divide by 3, 2x minus 1. So that is our answer. So now we are going to be simplify the final step. 2x minus 1, x plus 5 on the top, 3x minus 1, 2x minus 1 at the bottom. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 cancel. Answer is x plus 5 over 3x minus 1. Question number 6. Solve 2y plus 1 over 3 equal y minus 2 over 4. You must show all your workings. So I'm going to do a cross multiplication. So 4 is going to be multiplied by 2y plus 1. 3 is going to be multiplied the y minus 2. So 8y plus 4, 3y minus 6. 3y coming this side. So 8y minus 3y equal minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. 5y equal minus 10. So y equal minus 2. That is our answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. Simplify 2x squared plus 4x over 8x. So what we are going to do is factorize the top. So 2x can be taken as a common factor. So x is left over plus 2 is left over. If you have any doubt, expand it back and see whether the question is coming. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x over 8x. Now you can simplify this x and x. 2 and 1 and 2 goes to 4. So the final answer is x plus 2 in the bracket and as a denominator is 4. So that is the final answer. B part, simplify a over a plus 1 minus a over a plus 2. It's same as the first two questions. Denominator is going to be a plus 1, a plus 2. A is going to be multiply the a plus 2 minus a is going to be multiply the a plus 1. So expand that out. A times a is a squared plus 2a minus a squared minus a over the a plus 1, a plus 2, the both brackets. Simplify a squared cancel. 2a take away a is a over a plus 1, a plus 2. That is our final answer. Question number 8. Find the mean of these three numbers. Mean means you need to get an average. So you need to add them up and divide by 3. So basically x minus 1 over 12 plus x plus 2 over 6 plus x over 4. So you need to add them up and final answer I'm going to divide it by 3. So what I'm going to do is, in order to add, I need to take the bottom number as 12. I need to times this by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So the top number times 2. Here the denominator need to be times by 3 times by 3. X minus 1 over 12 plus 2x plus 4 over 12 plus 3x over 12. So the answer for that one is x minus 1, 2x plus 4 plus 3x over 12 equal x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3 over 12. I can take the 3 out. So 3, 2x plus 1 over 12. So 3 1s and 3 4s. So the answer I got 2x plus 1 over 4. So that is the addition of all three numbers, but that is not the final answer. So the mean is the total divide by 3. So total divide by 3. So the total is 2x plus 1 over 4 divide by 3. So if you want to make it as a times, so flip the 3. So 2x plus 1 over 4 times 1 over 3. So the final answer is 2x plus 1 over 12. That is our final answer. Question number 9. David has tried to calculate 2 over x minus 3 minus 3 over x plus 5 and another algebraic fraction is given. Both of his answers are wrong. So they have given the answers are wrong. Find David's mistakes. That is our first question. David's mistakes we need to find out and find out the correct answer. So once we find out the mistake, correct them and find the correct answer. Let's look at this one. 2 over x minus 3 minus 3 over x plus 5. So he wrote the question correct. Then x minus 3x plus 5 at the bottom is correct. 2 times x plus 5 is correct. Minus 3 times x minus 3 correct. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x correct. Minus time minus is positive 9. So this is where he made a mistake. So what we can do is we found the mistake. So this is the mistake. So minus 3 times minus 3 gives positive 9. So we are going to be correct the questions from there. So 2x plus 10 minus 3x positive 9. So over x minus 3 x plus 5 equal to 2x take away minus 3x is minus x plus 19 over x minus 3 x plus 5. That is the part 1 answer. Second algebraic fraction is 6 over x plus 4, 5 over x minus 2 and 6 times x minus 2. This is where he made a second mistake. When he multiply by 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. So we will show that one and correct the mistake. 6 is going to be multiplied by minus 2 plus 5 is going to be multiplied by the x plus 4. At the bottom x plus 4, x minus 2. So I'm going to be expanding the brackets. 6x minus 12 plus 5x plus 20 over x plus 4 x minus 2. So if you add the 6x with 5x is 11x plus 20 take away 12 is 8 over x plus 4 x minus 2. That is our final answer for the question number 9. Question number 10. Simplify 3x plus 15 over 4x minus 2 divide by 6x plus 30 divide by 2x minus 1. So I'm going to factorize each and every expression. So 3x plus 15, I can take the 3 out, x plus 5. Down 4x minus 2, I can take the 2 out, is 2x minus 1. Divide by, I can take the 6 out, which is x plus 5 over 2x minus 1. So division, we can convert that into a multiplication by flipping the right side of the fraction. So 3x plus 5 over 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 over 6x plus 5. X plus 5 cancel, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 cancel, and 3 1s and 3 2s. So the final answer, 1 is on the top, 2 times 2 is 4. So the quarter is the final answer for the A part. B part, 3a over b times 5b over 3a squared. I can cancel the 3 and 3, b and b, and a and a. So I left over with 5 over 1a left over. So the answer is 5 over a. The last question, simplify. It's the normal algebraic fraction standard question. So the bottom one is 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5. So the 4 is going to be multiplied by 3x plus 5 minus 3 is going to be multiplied by 2x minus 3. Expanding the brackets, 12x plus 20 minus 6x plus 9 over 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5 equal 12x take away 6x is 6x, 20 plus 9 is 29 over 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5. That is the end of the question number 10. Question number 11. Show that the algebraic fraction 1 over x plus 1 x plus 2, comma 1 over x squared plus 2x and 1 over x squared plus x are the first three terms of a linear sequence. The linear sequence is the same sequence as your arithmetic sequence. Say for an example, let me quickly jump onto an example. 5, 8, 11, 14. This is a linear sequence, or this is an arithmetic sequence. Why? The difference between two terms are equal, because 5 and 8, the difference is 3. 8 and 11, difference is 3. 11 and 14, difference is 3. Always 8 take away 5 is 3. 11 take away 8 is 3. So if these three terms are in an arithmetic sequence, this is the first term, this is second term, and this is the third term. So we got to prove, we need to show that these three are going to be in the linear sequence. The only one method to do is, you need to show the difference between the two terms are equal. So second term take away first term, whatever the answer you get, that answer is going to be same as the third term take away the second term. So let me do one by one. Second term is 1 over x squared plus 2x minus first term is 1 over x plus 1 x plus 2. So we need to find out the answer for this one. I'm going to factorize the second term. So which is x squared plus 2x can be x can be out, x plus 2, and this one is minus x plus 1 x plus 2. So in order to make both of the expression as same, I'm going to times here by x plus 1 top and bottom. Here I'm going to times it by x top and bottom. So here I'm going to get x plus 1 over x, x plus 1, x plus 2 minus here x over x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So the both denominator is same now, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So x plus 1 minus x plus x cancel, 1 over x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So this is the answer for the difference between second term and the first term. So we are going to do the same thing for the third term take away second term. So we are going to do third term take away second term. So we are going to do the same algebraic method. Third term is 1 over x squared plus x take away 1 over x squared plus 2x we're going to do the factorization. I can take the x out, x plus 1 minus 1 over, I can take the x out, x plus 2. In order to make the both denominators same, x plus 1 is there. I'm going to times it by x plus 2, and if I times the bottom number by x plus 2, the top number also times it by x plus 2. Here I'm going to times it by x plus 1, and top also I'm going to be times it by x plus 1. So now both the bottom number is going to be x plus 1, x plus 2, and the top number here x plus 2 minus x plus 1 over x plus 1, x plus 2. The denominators are same now, x plus 1, x plus 2, and the top here is x plus 2 minus x minus 1, because you need to put a bracket here. Minus times x is minus x, minus times plus 1 is minus 1, x and x cancel, 2 take away 1 is 1 over x plus 1, x plus 2. That is the same answer what we got for this one. So we can write the difference between, the terms are equal, therefore all three expressions are in the arithmetic or linear sequence. So that is our final answer for the question number 11. That is the end of our video. I hope you like our video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see all the upcoming videos. If you like to download the tutorial we discussed in the video, please visit our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Thank you.